Tired of wasting hours searching for the right AI tools, jumping from one website to another? What if there was one place to discover, compare, and explore the best AI tools in seconds? That's exactly what Toolify AI delivers, your all-in-one AI discovery platform. With Toolify AI, you'll never waste time hunting across the internet again. Welcome to AI Use 2.0 for latest AI updates. Let's go to Google and search for Toolify AI. Click on the very first link, which also provides a description of the video. This is the homepage of Toolify AI, where you can discover the best AI websites and tools all in one place. Toolify AI features an extensive directory with over 26,704 AI tools organized into 459 categories, making it one of the most comprehensive AI tool directories available. The listings, including the GPT store, are updated daily by ChatGPT. You'll find a wide variety of AI tools here, such as Gemini, DeepSeek, Midjourney, Perplexity, Claude, Grok, AI Studio, and many more. If you want to add your own AI tool, simply click on Add, enter the website URL, input the name and logo, and then click Save. Toolify AI offers a curated list of truly free AI tools, no fake trials or hidden costs. Just click on Free Tools to find chatbots, productivity, image generation, coding, writing, and more. Compare free plans, get honest info, and start creating instantly with confidence. To get started, simply define your needs, compare the available free plans, and then begin creating with the tool that fits you best. Toolify AI keeps you up to date with every new AI tool release. You'll find sections for the newest AI tools, the safest AI tools, the most used AI tools, browser extensions, apps, and more. Click on New to see the latest launched apps, and from there, you can select a tool that fits your needs. If you click on Browser Extension, you'll see the latest AI browser tools, the most installed AI tools, and those with the fastest review growth. There are currently over 5,000 extensions available. On the right side of the canvas, you'll find different categories such as writing and editing, image generation and editing, image analysis, music and audio, voice generation and conversation, art and creative design, and many other AI tools. Click on Writing and Editing Tools to see the latest options like Supercut, Photos Talk Assistant, and more. For image generation and editing, there are also various AI tools and Chrome extensions available. If you click on Most Installed, you'll see top tools like Grammarly at the top. You can also view review growth, extension names, reverse growth, growth rate, and active users. This is the beauty of Toolify AI. You can search for AI tools according to your needs using this amazing platform without having to jump from one website to another. Toolify AI delivers an all-in-one AI discovery experience. Try out this amazing tool for yourself and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe to AI Ustad for more updates about the latest AI tools.